Hello everyone, I am Nandini Maninarayana, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. This time we are offering Digital Systems Design using VHDL as an additional open elective for other branches, and the course code is 18EC754. I will give a quick outlook on the elective offered. VHDL refers to Very High Speed Integrated Circuit Hardware Description Language. VHDL is a general purpose programming language optimized for electronic circuit design. Why should you learn VHDL? If you are involved in electronic hardware design using FPGA or ASICs, so you require to know high-level compilers or synthesizers. The high-level synthesizers have made more easy access to the FPGA hardware development. VHDL allows the designer to model the hardware circuit with maximum flexibility and relatively easier. Doing so, however, it requires that you also have the knowledge of what are you doing. With VHDL, you can translate high-level design description into logic gates inside the silicon. If you start from this principle, you can better understand how to use this powerful tool. VHDL is one of the important programming language used extensively in industry to design digital circuits which can be implemented on FPGA or ASICs. This course includes theory as well as lab work, which will provide you with an overview of the VHDL language and its use in logic design. By the end of the course, you will understand the basic of VHDL modules and how each module is used. You will also gain an understanding of the basic VHDL constructors used in both synthesis and simulation. You will also be able to build complete logic structure that can be synthesized into programmable logic device hardware. Lastly, you gain the understanding required to connect entire modules together to create hierarchical design. Which are the companies uses VHDL programming? Intel, IBM, Cadence, Qualcomm, Synopsys, etc. Skills required to do this course: background in digital logic design, knowledge of C programming. Students from computer science, electrical and mechanical can take this course. Answer is definitely yes. Electrical students can use VHDL programming to implement efficient electric motor controllers, battery management system, motor inverter, high frequency DC to DC converters, digital circuits and logic circuits. Computer science students can use VHDL programming to implement embedded system processors, modeling memory allocation, application-specific computer hardware, IoT applications. Lastly, mechanical students can also use VHDL programming to implement smart sensor modeling, safety critical systems, modeling mechatronic subsystems, aeronautical subsystems, etc. For more details, contact me at nandiniyam@sgec.ac.in. Thank you.